Buy USDT on Binance using Gcash. Open your Binance. Click this or go to Wallets. Go to Funding. Click P2P. Be sure that the tab is in Buy option. You can click the amount to search for users who sells certain minimum amount. We're gonna go for this, because he offers a minimum amount of 70 pesos, and the payment method is Gcash. Just click Buy. Choose Buy Crypto and enter amount. Click Buy with 0 fee. Go to Make Payment. Copy the number of the seller and take note of the account name. Write down the amount need to be transferred. Go to Gcash to send payment to the seller on Binance. Click Send Money. Choose Express Send. Paste the copied number and enter amount. Click Next and then Send. Take a screenshot of the transaction. Then go back to Binance. Click Transferred, notify seller. Press I have transferred and confirm payment. Send the screenshot to seller as proof. Check your balance and see if the crypto has been added. Crypto has been received.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.